Cinematic adventures in New York City. Explore hidden gems and tasty eats near iconic spots. Cinematic adventures in New York City. Explore hidden gems and tasty eats near iconic spots. Discover the wonders of Central Park, a green oasis in the heart of Manhattan, attracting millions yearly. Insider tip: visit early morning for peaceful walks and enjoy lesser-known spots like the Shakespeare Garden. Nearby eatery, the Loeb Boathouse offers affordable American fare with beautiful lake views. Opening hours: Central Park is open daily from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. The Loeb Boathouse serves food from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., closed Mondays. Explore the High Line, an elevated linear park built on a historic freight rail line with stunning city and river views. Insider tip: check out nearby Chelsea Market for diverse food options all under one roof at reasonable prices. Hours: High Line is open daily 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Chelsea Market is open Monday through Saturday 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., Sunday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Visit the Museum of Natural History to see breathtaking exhibits on natural phenomena and extreme environments, from Antarctic explorers' tales to Arctic wildlife. Insider suggestion: grab a bite at Shake Shack inside the museum for great burgers without leaving too far behind your adventure. Opening hours: open daily from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., last entry at 4:30 p.m. Shake Shack's hours align with museum timings but close an hour earlier occasionally. Check current status before visiting. Take a scenic ferry ride around Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island with exceptional photography. Opportunities in endless changes of light and shadow on water and metal structures alike. Nearby eating spot off Battery Park is Pier Harbor House, featuring seafood dishes with moderate pricing and waterfront views, perfect after touring hectic tourist sites. Ferry operation times vary seasonally, generally runs every half hour between 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pier Harbor House open daily noon to 10 p.m., closed Tuesdays currently, but verify before visiting. Search online updates regularly due to frequent schedule adjustments these days. Visit Roosevelt Island via tramway, flying over East River, showcasing dramatic urban landscapes unlike anywhere else worldwide. Try Four Freedoms Park Cafe, located within the island's historic landmarks, for affordable snacks along your exploration. Tram and park times fluctuate seasonally but generally operate weekday mornings around 6 a.m. till midnight. Cafe opens typically from late morning until early evening, but confirm ahead as shifting COVID protocols impact timing often. Disclaimer: business hours, entrance fees, dining options, and operating days can change unexpectedly due to management decisions or new regulations. Please check official websites or call ahead before planning your visit for accurate details. We built our digital businesses through hard work and passion at New Beginning.com. This journey allows us to explore dreams while sharing experiences that inspire others. What is your dream? We want to help you achieve it. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar today for more information. Thanks, and God bless you.